Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your Czech abilities with Talk to Me in Korean, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your Czech abilities with Talk to Me in Korean, start by visiting the official Talk to Me in Korean website. Set up an account if you haven't already. Familiarize yourself with the range of courses offered. Choose a course that aligns with your current skill level. Begin with the introductory lessons to understand the basics. Take notes as you progress through each lesson. Utilize the downloadable resources provided, such as PDFs and audio files. Listen to the audio lessons to improve your pronunciation. Practice speaking along with the audio to enhance your fluency. Engage with the practice exercises included in the lessons. Experiment with the interactive quizzes to test your knowledge. Join the Talk to Me in Korean community for additional support. Participate in forums and discussions to enhance your learning experience. Find a language partner through the community to practice speaking. Dedicate a specific time each day to study and practice. Use the mobile app to learn on the go, ensuring consistency. Incorporate Czech media, like podcasts and videos, to immerse yourself further. Set specific goals for each study session to stay focused. Track your progress to see how far you've come. Regularly review previous lessons to reinforce your memory. Stay motivated by celebrating small victories along the way. Continue to challenge yourself by advancing to higher-level courses. Seek feedback from native speakers or advanced learners to improve. Consistently integrate language learning into your daily routine. Over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your Czech abilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.